Hello, today I will be demonstrating how to use these lovely and beautiful rose quartz Gua Shas. In case you're wondering, I do sell these in my Etsy store. They are one of my favorite stones to work with. Rose quartz are really high vibrational stones. They encompass self-love, compassion, all of the things that I really stand for and that I struggle with myself. And I really find that Gua Sha is just the perfect way to help regulate your nervous system, to find the stillness within. I even consider it to be a form of meditation. And it's really when I get a lot of inspiration, a lot of stagnant energy is moved throughout the body. Anyways, I will stop talking. As you can tell, it's a topic that I'm very into. It's my thing, if you will. And I will get to it and start to demonstrate how to use these stones. So to start with, I like to use a face spray Serenity. It smells really divine. And then I'll use one of my favorite face oils. It is hydrate oil. I'm using one of my old bottles because I still have more. And then you'll apply a few drops onto the skin, making sure that there's enough so that the tool can glide, not really slide. You don't want to tug onto the skin. And this is a time where I really like to set an intention for my practice because I believe that this, in fact, is a practice in itself. So I will begin from the neck area, working my way forward. And I'll start with one, the biggest side. Really focusing on any knots that I may be feeling or experiencing at the time. And for those knots, you can just use a smaller side. And this is optional if you feel called to. You can also work with these stones on the chest area. So you can begin and end with this. What's happening is that we're stimulating the lymphatic system. We're stimulating it through this area, the neck area. Then you'll repeat the same on the other side if you'd like to, or you can just skip to this step. And you can either do this at the same time or one at a time. And I'm using the smaller edge on those places that feel extra tight or where I feel more knots. And you can also use this in the under eye area. Here I'm demonstrating another way you can use it. Here I like to do 3 points on the brow area, going towards the temple. Find that the temple area holds a lot of tension here. I also like to, because my sinuses are a little sensitive, I like to go in here and I'm just going over some areas that feel a little bit more tender, as if they need extra care. Alternating sides here, using the small edges.